Xantrex presents the Freedom eGEN, a new driving force to boost uptime and fleet productivity. Fleets and drivers no longer have to worry about idling or runtime to support hotel loads, such as CPAP machines, coffee pots, microwaves, or even air conditioning. Unlike idling your truck's engine or using a diesel APU, the Freedom eGEN provides the exact amount of power needed to run all your hotel loads without using fuel or needing maintenance. A key component of the Freedom eGEN system is the lithium battery that delivers a stable power supply, giving you the freedom to run a range of appliances and electronics for a significant amount of time simultaneously. The Xantrex lithium-ion truck battery offers twice the capacity in the same physical size of a traditional battery and lasts 6 to 8 times longer. The lithium battery is constantly replenished via multiple sources: existing truck alternator, inverter charger, and solar panels. Freedom eGEN has enough runtime to allow you to use all your electronics and air conditioning during your 10 to 14 off-duty hours. You can rest assured that you'll have plenty of power to get through a quiet night's sleep. No need to shut down electronics to save the battery or be woken in the middle of the night by an auto start. This is the first of its kind in safety and reliability in North America. Control and monitor system performance, view historical data, and other relevant information on our easy-to-use app. Freedom eGEN integrates today's most advanced technologies, including solar and lithium, to offer a cleaner, greener battery system that will save your fleet money while eliminating idling, increasing battery life, and reducing overall maintenance. Now, fleet managers won't have to worry about replacing batteries in trucks before trading them in, and ROI is realized within 2 to 3 years. For truck drivers, it means living in a mobile home with all the comforts and conveniences that make every long haul a pleasant and memorable experience.